Yeah, hi all, good morning. Am I audible?
Morning, Anji.
Yes, I'm sharing my screen. So in yesterday class, we discussed about how to create a Servicenow instance. So instance creation options, and we discussed about basic configurations. Okay. In today class, we are going to discuss about user interface. Okay. So after that, we are going to discuss a few more basic configurations. Still, if we have time, we'll start with ITSM. Okay. So is everybody created Servicenow instance? If anybody not created Servicenow instance, please let me know. I will create Servicenow instance for you.
Hello, sir. My name is Ravi. I
Yes,
joined. Sorry, I joined today. I'm sorry to disturb in the middle.
yes. Okay.
Yeah. So just like I had not maybe viewed your last meetings, so I am new to this today.
Mhm,
So
mhm.
just brief if you have time or I can connect you later to get this done.
Yeah, okay. So yes, I will show you in today class also how to create a Servicenow instance. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Yes. Okay, so I hope in today class, so first we will start with creation of Servicenow instance. It will not take more than 5 minutes. Okay, yes. For creation of Servicenow instance, you can type Servicenow developer in any browser. Okay, yes. Once you click on Servicenow developer, you will get a few links like developer.servicenow.com. You can click on developer.servicenow.com. Okay, yes, I'm opening it. So if you are first time you are opening developer.servicenow.com, you can click on sign up and start building. Yes, I'm clicking on sign up and start building. Okay, here we have to enter our details. For example, I'm giving like this Servicenow training. So I will give you the mail ID. 1 minute. Okay. Yes. Country I'm giving India. So here I'm giving password like training at the rate of 123. T capital letter. Okay. So I'm in. Here we have to select traffic lights. Here it is there. Here it is there. Verify. I'm clicking on agreement and I'm clicking on sign up. Okay. Yes. Once you sign up, you will receive one email notification from Servicenow. Okay, I'm opening my email account. So here you can see, here it is a Google related notification. You can wait for 1 or 2 minutes, so then you will get email notification. Okay. So you can, yes, just now we received one email. Verify your Servicenow ID. Okay. Here we have verify email account. Yes, you can click on verify email. So our email was verifying it. Yes, thank you. Your email has been verified. Then you can click on login. Then you can click on login. Okay. Yes. So previously you have clicked on sign up. Now we have to log in. Okay. So this is my mail ID. I'm clicking on next. So here we have to enter password. At the rate of 123. I'm signing. So whoever logging first time into this developer.servicenow.com, it will ask few questions. First question is, do you code? Yes, I need a developer oriented IDE. We have to select this one. Next. So what best describes your job responsibilities? You can say developer, designer, IT admin. I'm clicking on this check and trying finish setup. Okay, finish setup. Yes. Now, after answering the two questions, here you have start building and here you have request instance. You can click on any button. Okay, I'm clicking on request instance. Okay, beside the profile. So here, Utah is our latest Servicenow instance. Utah is our latest Servicenow instance version. So here instances are not available. You can see Servicenow instances are not available. So I'm clicking on just join waitlist. Okay, I'm clicking on join waitlist and I'm closing it. So whenever Servicenow instance is available, you will get a Servicenow instance. Okay, whenever Servicenow instance is available, you will get a one email notification to your email address saying that Servicenow instance is available. Okay, got it? Yes, everybody got it?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So it will take some time, maybe it will take 24 hours to get Servicenow instance. Generally, if Servicenow instances are available, yes, we will get Servicenow instance immediately. But in today's case, instances are not available. So that's why it is in waiting list. Okay. Yes. With another mail ID, I already created Servicenow instance. I'm going to that instance. Again, I'm signing in. In 2018, I'm clicking on next. Sign in. Okay. Yes. So here you can see my instance is in sleep mode. It is waking up. Okay. My instance is in sleep mode. It is waking up. 1 minute, maybe I will click on my instance environment. You are also, you can see if the Servicenow instance is in sleep mode, you will see the screen like this. Got it? If our Servicenow instances are in sleep mode, you will see this screen. And after some time, it will automatically redirect it to the developer.servicenow.com. Okay, it will automatically redirect it to the developer.servicenow.com. Okay, guys, got it? Yes. For waking up, instance will take 1 or 2 minutes. It's still loading. So meanwhile, if you have any queries, please let me know.
So, sir, we have to select while creating an instance, we have to select the latest one, right?
Yes. Yes.
Probably.
Okay. Yeah, generally, we will always use latest version of Servicenow instance. Okay. For example, if you don't want to use latest one, other than you want another one, maybe Tokyo, San Diego, or Rome, yes, you can select. Okay, then you will get that version related Servicenow instance. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
please. Yes.
Actually, from version to version, any major deviations will be there?
Yes. Basically, version to version, we have few changes. Okay. Like sometimes they will introduce new applications, and they will modify some basic, few modifications from the existing applications also. Okay. Yes.
Okay, okay.
And here we don't require to learn like difference between, for example, difference between Utah to Tokyo, or difference between from Utah to San Diego, like that. We don't require that differences because of in our Servicenow we don't know how many applications we get newly, or how many modifications did with every application. Okay. Yes, mostly in interviews they will not ask this question. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
And you can see here my instance is wake up. That's why the start building is available. Yes, now I'm clicking on start building. Okay. Yes, it's loading my Servicenow instance. You remember that, guys, with this email ID in yesterday class, I said I did the reset and wipe instance. That means whatever the configurations I did previously, all those configurations will be gone. And with the same instance ID, which I used previously, I'm getting new instance. Okay, with the same instance ID, I'm getting fresh instance. Okay, and all my configurations was gone. Previously, I did. Okay, yes, I agree. And yes, I was successfully logging into my Servicenow instance. Okay. Finally, this is my Servicenow instance. This is my Servicenow instance. Now we are going to discuss about user interface. What do you mean by user interface? You can say user interface is useful for the users, like it contains look and feel. Okay, it contains look and feel, and it contains the navigational elements. User interface will tell us about navigational elements. Okay, yes. So for user interface, I already prepared one document. Along with that document, I will explain it. Okay. 1 minute. So you can see, guys, yes. I was taken snipping tool. Wait. Okay. So entire this screen should be calling as Servicenow instance. Entire this screen we are calling as Servicenow instance. Okay, guys. Entire this screen should be calling as Servicenow instance. Next. We are calling this area should be calling as banner frame. This area should be calling as banner frame. Okay, this area should be calling as banner frame. So let's paste it here. This area should be calling as banner frame. Got it, everybody? We are calling this area, header area, we can say header area, we are calling as banner frame in Servicenow. Okay, next. This is Servicenow logo. This is Servicenow logo. Okay, this is Servicenow logo. Got it? Yes, this is Servicenow logo. Next. These are the menu options. These are the menu options. These are the menu options. When you click on all, it will open applications and modules. When you click on all, it will open applications and module menu, application navigator menu, it will open. When you click on all, it will open application navigator menu. When you click on this pin icon, this application navigator menu will pin left side of this screen. So you can see it pin left side of the screen. Okay. Yes, if I unpin, it will unpin from the left screen. Okay. Next, when you click on favorites, it will show you the favorites. For example, in our day-to-day life, we will navigate to different kind of applications and different kind of records, right? We want to make those as favorite. Yes, we have to click on the favorites, and all those favorites are appear here. Okay. Yes. Next, history. So in our day-to-day life, we'll navigate to different applications and different records. That history will store here where you navigated within 24 hours, like that. Okay. Wherever you navigated, that history will appear here. Okay. Next, workspace. Here we have different kind of workspaces. So if you want to work with workspace, yes, we have to select workspace from here. And next, admin, it will tell us so what we want. Okay. So it is a admin home or adoption blueprints you require, what you require. So basically, this admin is latest one in the this admin menu is latest one in the Utah version. Previously, it is not available. This workspace is latest version from San Diego. Okay, got it? Yes. So here you have any queries up to here from this menu items. Any queries? No? Okay. So next. So you can see, we are calling it as global search. We are calling it as global search. Okay. If you want to search with any keyword, you can search from here, and wherever your keyword is available within the Servicenow instance, all the records will appear. Okay. All the records will appear. Next. This should be called as globe icon. This should be called as globe icon, and it contains the pickers. One is application picker, and another one is the update set picker. This globe icon contains the update set picker and application picker. Okay, update set picker and application picker. Next, this icon should be a support chart. If you receive any notifications, or if you want to send any notification, any messages from this support chat, you can able to do it. Okay, from this support chat, you can able to do it. Next, this is help icon. If you want to learn about any documentation, yes, from here you can able to view the documentation of that particular configuration. Okay. Yes. Next, notifications icon. If you get any notification to your account, your Servicenow account, all the notifications will appear here. This image should be a user profile. Okay, got it, everybody? So these are the banner frame options. So you have any queries, please let me know. Yes, any queries? These navigational elements are required to learn because of, for example, whenever communicating client with you for any configurations or for any work, they will use keywords, these navigational elements. For example, they will say you can go to the global search, you can type keyword ABC, something like that. You have to understand where you have to search. So this is a global search, and you have to search here. Maybe they will say you can go to application navigation menu, you can search for the instant application. You have to know. Yes, when you click on all, we'll get the application navigation search, like that. Okay, got it, everybody? Yes.
Yes, Sanjay.
Okay, fine. Next. Next, I'm going to application navigation search. So you can see when you click on all here, it will open a application navigation search. Application navigation, you can say application navigation. Okay, here you are seeing one filter icon. This should be called as application navigation search. This should be called as application navigation search. Yes, by using this application navigation search, you can search about the applications and modules. By using this filter navigation, you can search applications and modules. And here we have global search. By using global search, you can search any keyword existing in our Servicenow instance. Then it will give all the records that contains the keyword you are searching for. Okay, got it, everybody? The difference between filter navigation and global search. Guys, please respond.
Can you explain one more time?
So basically, by using this global search, we can able to search any keyword. Okay, so yes, for example, I'm searching with workflow, something like that. Okay, I'm clicking on enter. You can see it will find out that workflow keyword in all the records in Servicenow. Okay, one of one. So here you can see, here we got one. So within this micro record, we have that keyword should be called workflow. Okay, you can search with any keyword. Maybe I'm saying ABC. Can enter. It is searching for ABC. Yes, it is not found any record with ABC. Okay, like this. Within the Servicenow configuration elements, if you want to search with any keyword, yes, you can able to search from here. Okay. If you want to search for applications and navigations, applications and modules, you have to search in the filter navigation. Now got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Next. Here we have self-service. It should be called as the application. Wherever from this application navigation, wherever you found this symbol, what we can call. So this arrow symbol, wherever you found this arrow symbol, that is the application. Okay. So you can see here self-service is one application. Under self-service, we have many records. These all are we are calling as modules. Okay. Yes. So you can see here self-service is one application, activity subscription is one application, app engine is one application, like this. So if you open this application, you will see the modules there. You can see within this app engine studio, we have module app engine studio module. We have configuration submodule. Under that configuration, we have submodules. Got it, everybody? How we are categorizing application and module? Yes. So here,
Yes.
it is also a module. Under this module also we have submodules like this. Okay. Got it? So here self-service is one application, activity subscription is one application, app engine is one application. So you can say Docker is one application. If you open it, so under that we have the modules. Yes. So for example, I'm trying to open incident. So you can see here the self-service is application. Under self-service we have incident. It is a module. Okay. Yes, I'm closing this. So here you can see, here we have incident is itself application. Under incident, we have create new, assign to me, open, these all are the modules. Got it, everybody? Yes. So beside any application or any module, we are getting two symbols. Okay. This is helpful for editing that particular application or module. This is for editing that particular application or module. You can see when I click on this edit, this create new module will edit. Okay, that create new module record will open. It's loading. Wait, yes, you can see. Yes, like this. If you click on the star icon, it will be stored in. If you click on the star icon, it will be stored in these favorites. Okay, so you can see when you click on a star icon, it is showing some options, location where, yeah, default itself, and I'm clicking on done. So you can say I made star for create new. You can come to the favorites. Here you can see incident create new. Got it, everybody? Yes. And we have navigated somewhere. So you can see history was showing here within just now we created one, just now we opened one module, create new module. That's why it is showing in history. Service now. Okay, this is a different navigation showing. We did 9 minutes ago. Okay, yes. Again, I'm removing these favorites. Okay, guys, any queries in the application navigation? No. Okay. Next, again, I'm clicking on logo. So here you can see this frame, we are calling it as home page or content frame. Home page or content frame. So in latest versions, mostly we are calling as content frame only. Okay, we don't have home pages in latest version of Servicenow instance, that is Utah. Okay, this frame we are calling as content frame. This frame we are calling as content frame. Okay, yes. Next. Now I'm going to one form, create new. For example, under incident, I'm clicking on create new. It will open one form. This should be we are calling as form. This should be we are calling as form. We are calling it as form. Okay. We are calling it as form. Okay. This should be a form header. This should be a form header. Okay, it should be a form header. Okay, these buttons should be a form header buttons. These buttons should be called as form header buttons. These buttons should be calling as form header buttons. Okay, yes, these are form header buttons. So next. So these are we are calling as columns. These are we are calling as columns. These are we are calling as columns. So label, 1 minute. Label column, label column. Okay, this is column. This is label. So entire we are calling as field. Generally, entire we are calling as field. 1 minute. Wait. So entire we are calling as column. So this should be called as field. This should be called as field or column. Okay, this should be called as field or column. From this is a label. This is a input box. Okay, this is a box related to this column. Okay, got it, everybody? Yes. Next. Next. You can right click here. You can right click here. It should be called as a form context menu. When you click, when you right click on anywhere in the form, when you right click anywhere on the form, we are calling it as form context menu. Okay, this menu should be called as form context menu. Form context menu. Next. So this menu we are calling as form context menu. I'm clicking on the button. This is a form context menu. Okay, this should be a form context menu. Okay, yes. Next. So This is a hamburger menu. Here you are seeing 3 lines, right? Here you are seeing 3 lines. It should be called a hamburger menu. So you can say this should be called as hamburger menu. These 3 lines icon should be calling as hamburger menu. Okay. If you click on this hamburger menu, it will also open form context menu. If you click on that hamburger menu, it will also show as form context menus. Okay. Next. Related search should be like this. Related search should be like this. This is a related search results panel. This should be a related search results panel. Okay. Next. These are the form sections. These are the form sections. Okay. Here notes is one form section. Related records is one form section. Resolution information is also one form section. Okay. Yes, guys, don't worry. So I will send you all these navigational elements in one more document. I already prepared it. Okay, you can see all these navigation elements are available here. After class, I will send you. Okay, for your reference. So yes, these we are calling as form sections. These we are calling as form section. Notes is one form section. Related records is one form section. Resolution information is one form section. Okay, got it? Yes. Next.
Yeah, Anji, what is the use of related search result?
So if you want to search with some keyword here within this record, okay, it will appear the data. For example, I'm saying instant. So you can say it will give you some results. Okay, got it? Yes or no? So you can
That about this record.
no, it's not about this record. Related to this record, we can say related to this record. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. So basically, what are the records we will get in this search results from this? From knowledge and catalog, knowledge articles, catalog items, outage, open outages, okay, change requests. From these records only, we will get results. Okay, got it? Yes. If we scroll down, here in the notes form section, we have few things. Okay, so you can see this should be calling as additional comments. This should be calling as work notes. Okay, watch list should be like this. So work notes list should be like this. We will discuss about this in later classes. Okay. Yes, additional comments and work notes. Additional comments and work notes. Next. Now I'm trying to open one existing record. For showing other options as well. Okay. I'm clicking on one instant. So here you can see within notes section, here we have activities. These we are calling as activities. Whatever the content we are going to add, the additional comments or work notes will appear in these activities. Okay. Yes. Next. This is 1 minute. Form bottom buttons. We are calling it as form bottom buttons. Okay. We are calling it as form bottom buttons. Okay. Next. This we are calling as related links. Okay. This we are calling as related links. If we scroll down, right? These we are calling as related list. Okay, these we are calling as related list. Here you can see task SLA is one related list. Affected CI is one related list. Impacted services is one related list. Child instance is one related list. Okay, yes. Next. If I'm clicking here and I'm going to configure form name, for example, configure form name, right? It's loading. So here you can see This screen we are calling as slush bucket. This area we are calling as slush bucket. Okay. So this is the available slush bucket. This is available slush bucket. This is the selected slush bucket. Okay. Available slush bucket and selected slush bucket. If you want to configure any elements, need to display in the form or list, we'll do it by using the slush buckets only. Okay. Yes. From the form, you have any queries, please ask me. From the form, you have any queries, please ask me.
Anji, there is a child incident now
Yes.
at the bottom of the screen.
Yes, that is a related list. This child instance is a related list. Okay. So
Yeah.
we will discuss about this child instance, how to create a child instance. So how to build a relationship, parent and child relationship within instance, and all will discuss with instance concept. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yes. Any queries from the form, please let me know. No, that's fine. Next, I'm going to list. I'm closing all the tabs. Now I'm going to list. Maybe I'm clicking on all module within the instant application. It will open a list. Okay. So you can see this screen we are calling as list. This screen we are calling as list. Okay. This screen we are calling as list. This screen we are calling as list. Okay. And this is a list header. This area we are calling as list header. This area we are calling as list header. Okay. Yes. These 3 lines icon we are calling a hamburger menu. These 3 lines icon we are calling as hamburger menu. These 3 lines icon we are calling as hamburger menu. Next, this is a filter navigation. This is a filter nav. So we can say this is a list filter. This is a list filter. Okay, this is list filter. When you click here, it will open a filter. You can see this is a list filter. Next. So this icon should be helpful for us language filters. Okay, this icon, that message icon will help us for language filters. Okay. Yes. Next. It is this helpful for filtering any data within this list. This area will help us for filtering data. Okay. Yes. This heart symbol is helpful for us identifying the recently modified records. Identifying the recently modified records. Okay. Next. This should be, we are calling this gear icon we are calling as personalization list. This gear icon should be calling as personalization list. If you want to display or hide the columns by using personalization list, we can do it. You can see when I click on this personalization list, it opened the slush bucket, available slush bucket and selected slush bucket. Whatever the columns within selected slush bucket will be displayed here. Okay. If you want to bring another columns to selected slush bucket, yes. You can select the column, you can click on this icon, it will come to the selected slush bucket. Okay. Next. This should be called as list choice action. This should be calling as list choice action. Okay. List choice action. This we are calling as list choice action. This we are calling as list choice action. Here different list choice actions are there. Okay. Next, this is the list header button. This is a list header button. Okay. Yes. This is a list header button. Next. So these all are list columns. Okay. These all are columns. Whatever the columns, we are seeing in bold color, calling as columns or fields. Columns or fields, okay. So number field, number is convert, it is open record, wait. So here number is one field, opened it one field, short description is field or column, color is field or column, okay, like that. Next, here checkbox is helpful for selecting the records. Selecting the record. For example, I want to select this record. Yes. I want to select this record. Yes, we can able to select. Okay. If we want to perform any list choice actions, for that we have to select a record. Which record you are going to modify. Okay. Next. So you can see below to this as it is showing some icon. This icon should be calling as preview icon. Okay. When you click on that preview icon, it will show the record in the form view. Okay. Yes. If you click on this open record, it will be, this particular record will be opened. Okay. Yes. This we are calling as preview icon. This we are calling as preview icon. Got it, everybody? Yes. And when you right click on, when you right click here, it will show, it will open some menu. This we are calling as list context menu. This we are calling as list context menu. Okay. This we are calling as list context menu. Okay, guys, got it? This we are calling as list context menu. Next. So even if you click on this hamburger menu, it will open the context menu, list context menu. You can scroll down. Yes, if you scroll down here, you are able to see the page. If you scroll down here, you are able to see the pagination. 1 minute, in my screen, pagination is not appearing. Wait. Yes. This should be called as pagination. Okay. This we are calling as pagination. Okay. It will show records, total records in the list, and it will show in which page we are in. Okay. Almost here we have 67 records from we are in 1 to 20 records. Okay. Yes, this should be called as pagination. And here you can see in the bottom, we can say bottom right corner, we are seeing some clock icon. This clock icon will tell us how much time it took to load this page, this list or form. Okay. This clock icon will tell us how much time it took for loading this particular page. Okay. Yes. And 1 minute. So we have something. Maybe I will open change. Sorry, lost that list. Here also we have list related link. Okay. So from here it is not available as of now. So below to this page nation, we have related link. Okay, list related link. Got it? Yes. So any queries up to here, from the form, from the list, from the banner frame, from the application navigation, any queries? Any queries, please let me know. Okay. Yes. No queries, guys.
No.
Yeah, okay. Guys, please respond whenever I'm asking for something. Okay. Okay, fine. Next. So we will see the document also once. We'll see the document once. Okay. Yes. So we can see. So all these images I have noted down with the previous version. I will show you that version also, how to go to that version. So all these images I built with previous version. Maybe along with this document, we can modify this images. Okay. Yes. Wait, by mistaken, I was closing the document. Yes. So you can see here As of latest version, we don't have home pages. Okay, we don't have home pages. You can say content frame. We are calling it as
Content
content
frame.
frame.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, we will record this screen. Copying it and pasting here. So these screens I was recorded within this document from the previous versions. Okay. Now I'm changing it. You can see it is content frame. Next banner we was updated. Application navigation bar. Okay, this should be application navigation bar. Now it is in different way. Okay, so we can copy paste here. This is application navigation frame. You can say. Yes, I'm copying it and pasting here. I'm deleting this screen and pasting here. Next, application navigation search. Application navigation search. It should be like this. Okay. Copy. Here. From the previous versions, history and favorites will be available with the widget. Now we don't have this screen. Okay, we don't have this screen. All these options are available with the banner frame only. All these options are available with the banner frame only. Okay, now we don't require this screen. I'm deleting it. Okay, first I will delete this. I will delete this one also. Next, favorites. So favorites we are seeing like this. Okay. Wait. End screen. Okay, this is favorites. Oh no, it is not recorded. Print screen. Escape. Wait. Copy. And I will to paste it here. Okay, this is favorites. Next, history. Next, global search. Okay. So this is global search. Next screen. Next, application. Scroll down. Yes. This is one application. This is one application like this. Okay. These all are the applications. Copy and pasting here. Next. Modules. Okay. Yes, here you can see. For example, here I'm typing incident. So I will record the screen also. So we are calling these all modules, for example. So this is one model. This is one model. For example, this is one model. This is one model. Like this. Here also, this is one model. This is one model like this. Next, minimize navigator. Here we don't have any minimize navigators. Okay. So I'm removing this option. First of all, I will remove the screen and I will remove this minimize navigator. Next, instance logo. This is instance logo. Okay. And instance name will not appear as of now. It's in the latest version here. So when you click here, then only instance version will show. Okay. So instance name. This is instance name. Okay. Yeah. If we scroll down, user profile. So this is user profile. And name. Wait. Print screen. Okay. Yes. So we haven't discussed about impensate user as of now. We'll discuss now. Okay. 1 minute. First of all, we will record the screens and after we will discuss. No problem. So you can see, you can click on impensate user. When you click on impensate user option, will show the screen. Maybe I'm searching for Go tab. Okay. For example, I'm record this section. So impensate user. Okay, this is impensate user screen. Maybe in tomorrow section we will discuss about this impensate user screen. Okay. Next, settings. This is also changed. This screen also changed. Here we have preferences. Right. 1 minute. First of all, I will reload this form. The settings will not be opening. Yes. References. I'm copying it out. I'm pasting here. Settings are preferences. We can say settings are preferences. Yes. I'm closing here. Next, support chat. Support chat. So here you can see we have chat icon. So you can say this is a support chat. I'm closing the screen. Next, help icon. Help icon same. It's like same. Okay. Next, list. For example, I'm opening instant. list should be like this. Okay, so next form. I'm opening any one of this record. One minute. Okay, yes. And hamburger menu, there is no change. Fields, columns, no change. Form sections, no change. Form header, form header, we have anything? No change. Form header also same. Buttons, attachment, form context menu, we don't have any change. Related links, we don't have change. Related list also no change. List header, no change. But it is previously we have paginator here, now it is not there. That is only difference. I think we don't require to personalization list. 1 minute, 1 minute. Maybe you can note down latest screens only to form with it. Hamburger menu. This is hamburger menu.
There is no big difference to previous version and this version.
Yes.
Anji.
Yes, basically, we are talking about user interface only here, okay? So it's just navigational elements, okay? Which area, what we are calling which area, okay? For example, if we have these 3 dots icon, what we are calling as, okay, like that. So yeah, then we can keep the screens only, no problem. There is no big difference then, okay? Personalization list choice actions, application picker, but these are changed. Wait,
Application picker and
updates set
the
picker.
both are
Yeah.
changed.
This should be application picker. I'm erasing it. Again, I'm going to this one. Again, this is updates set picker. Slash bucket, there is no change in slash bucket. And list choice action also got modified, right? Yes, I'm opening the instant. Opening the screen. And I'm pasting here list choice action. Okay, yes. Finally, this is user interface document. Okay, so I'm closing this document and after some time I will share with you. Okay, next I'm going with user settings. So you can see here we have user profile, right? So I'm clicking on user profile. So first of all, here we have preferences. If we click on preferences, display, we click on display. So if we click on user preferences here we have different options: display, accessibility, debug, notifications, and theme. Okay, first I'm going to click on the theme. Okay, here there are 2 types of themes. One is default theme and another one is darker theme. If we click on darker theme, all the background should be moved to dark. Okay, if you click on this white color default one, the background should be in white. For example, within this page I'm opening some record. Okay, I'm saying all. So I will try to open record also. Okay, now you can change the theme here. You can see the difference theme. 1 minute, it's loading, I hope. Yes, if we change to dark, what happened in background? Tell me, guys. Everything moved to black color or not? Yes. Now again, I'm changing the theme to default one, theme, default. So you can see color got changed to white, background color. Got it? Yes, this is about themes. Next, display. Here we have many display options. So organize form sections and related lists into tabs in classic form. Okay. Yes, this is one option. 1 minute, I will show you how it looks like. For example, if you open any form, so here you can see it is showing like one after another. Form sections are showing one after another, like tabs. Okay, like tabs. If we go to this user profile, preferences, display, if we remove this, will show differently. You can see. I have removed organized form sections and related list into tabs in a classic forms. Now you can see how it looks like. So now you
It
can
shows like a list.
one after another. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Here first notes appearing, related records, resolution. It is showing like this. If we remove that option. Okay. Again, I'm enabling it. Yes, I enabled it. Next. And it is saying put line breaks in lists. Put line breaks in lists. Wait, first of all, we open one list view. I'm opening list. So you can see it is saying put line breaks in list. Right, you can come here, display. You can disable this option. Maybe you can see how it looks like. How it looks like. Tell me, guys, we have difference or not? Yes or no?
Yes,
For every record, we have some empty space. We have some extra empty space. If we click on put lines per list, we click on. If we remove that, so that space is closing. You can see. Now again, I'm click on put line breaks in list. So again, that spaces came. Next, I'm going to preferences again. Next, date and time format. In yesterday basic configurations also we have seen. You can change from there or you can change from date and time format. Okay, anywhere you can change. Next, time zone. Next, we have time zone. Okay. From here also you can select a time zone. But here you can see, guys, IST time zone is not available. Yes or no? There is no IST time zone. If you want to configure that IST time zone, definitely you have to go for basic configuration. And type basic configurations here. Basic configuration by 60. You can open within the page also, no problem. So here we have configure available time zones. So I'm going to bring IST time zone to selector / bucket. Yes, where is IST? So wait. One minute, I'm not found IST time zone here. No, guys, so you remember that in yesterday class, this available
Yeah, it was there on the last one.
was there, but here it is not there. Okay, so here we can say it is a Servicenow personal developer instance problem. Okay, mostly in real time we didn't get this kind of issues. So if we get this kind of issues, we will report to Servicenow company by using this website, support su bport.servicenow. Support Servicenow, you can say support Servicenow, support.servicenow.com. By navigating to this website, we will raise a issue for the Servicenow company, product issue for the Servicenow company. Got it, everybody? Yes or no?
Got
Yes.
it.
Okay, fine. Next. So, but from here, we have to configure our time zone. But here, it is a Servicenow personal developer instance problem. It is not appearing. If we get this kind of issues, we have to report from support.servicenow.com website. But you have to log in here. Okay, if you want to report something. When you are able to log in, once you join into the organization, and once you are with project, once you are working with project, then only you get these credentials. Okay, got it? With your organizational mail ID. For personal developer instances, we don't have any that kind of support chat. Maybe we have to check with community. Next. Again, I'm going to the preferences display. You can scroll down. So here it is asking default pages. Here currently it is a default. What is our default page? You can come here and click on this logo. This is our default page. Whenever you log in into the system, this is our default page. If you want to change this default page, you can go to the display and scroll down here, current start page. For example, I want dashboards. I'm clicking on use dashboards instead of default. Wait. Yes, here I selected use dashboards, and you can come and refresh here. You can see it is refreshing basically. Now it will open with the dashboards. Wait. On minute, I'm closing everything here from the URL. Refresh. It will come up with the dashboards. It is showing dashboards or not. So whenever you are first time logging, it will show dashboards only every time. Okay. Yes. Next. Again, I'm going to the preferences display. Again, I will change to default one. Okay, my explanation is completed. It is default. So here you can see show results from other menus when filtering menu items. Okay. So if we remove, so I have to know about this option, guys. This setting refers to the menus listed within the navigation. In the info navigation, you have the ability to display only the items listed in each menu. All of the menus are in this view. So basically, this will help us with views. Okay, for every form contains different views. Okay, if we are filtering something, if we want to bring the data from the each and every menu. Okay, so we will use this one. Okay, as of now I haven't used this one. This is new in this Utah version. Okay, yes. Next, I'm scrolling up. So you can see load related list in a classic form. 1 minute, I will show you this option. For example, here I'm trying to open instant form. I will try to open existing record and I will show you. So you can see I'm loading this instant form. So you can see along with instant form here, related lists also loading. Along with this instant form, this related lists also loading. Then what this option is saying, this related list need to load with the form or after the form loads or on demand. Okay, now we selected with the form. Yes, while loading the form, related lists are loading. Okay, now you can say I'm selecting after the form loads. Okay, once form is loaded, then only this related list in the form, you can see still it is loaded. It is not loaded. Now it is loaded. Got it? This small difference. We select after the forms, related list loading after the forms. Got it? This difference? Yes. Okay. Next again, I'm going to preferences, display. Now, for example, here I'm selecting on demand. Here I'm selecting on demand. I'm closing it. You can see. Related list will not load with the forms. Okay. Related list will not load the form. So you can see. So now it is loading. And even here related list we already loaded. If we go to the another form, it will show how on demand will show. Change underscore request. I'm going to this table and I will show you on demand. For example, I'm opening any of the record. All these guys, change request, instant, we will discuss in further classes. Okay, here you can see load. If we select on demand there, it will show like this load related list. Once you click on load related list, so next time onwards, every time it will load after the form loading. Okay, guys, got it? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so here I'm going to the preferences again. Again, I'm going to display. So I'm keeping the default one only. So these are basically spacing or help tips related one. Okay, we don't require about this. Okay, if you want to learn, you can go to the docs.servicenow.com and you can learn. Okay, so for example, use compact spacing. If I enable compact spacing, some space, for example, I'm closing it. You can see 1 minute. Wait, it's loading. Now you can see columns one after another. Here there is no compact space we use. If we click on compact space, some space will come in between the fields. So you can see some adjustment is happened or not in background. Yes or no? Yes, some adjustment has happened. Okay. Basically it is a small difference. Yes, I'm disabling it. Show help tips on the forms. Show help tips on the forms. For example, I'm enabling show help tips on the forms. I'm closing it. For every column, we have any help tip, it will appear. You can see it is appearing or not help tips for every column. Okay, got it, everybody? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next. Preferences. Again, I'm going to preferences and I will disable it. Always show top navigation. So, for example, 1 minute. So here you can see. Yes, here we have open form. Now I will select the top navigation. You can see. I'm going to display again. Always show top navigation. I'm closing it. You can find out the difference. Now, for example, I'm opening something here. Incident dot list. You can see what happening here also. This banner frame is visible or not in the next frame also. Wait. Okay. So if you want to display this top frame, always this top frame you want, then you can select always display top frame. Okay. We don't require this one. So always show top navigation, not required. So you can see show ability to quick edit favorites. I'm disabling this. I'm disabling edit quick favorites. Here we are not able to make any favorites. Okay. So preferences, display, show ability to quick edit favorites. Okay. So maybe 1 minute I'm disabling again. You can come and refresh here. Yes, here it is showing. Here there is no edit option. Maybe here we have edit. Okay. So again, I'm going to preferences. And now I will enable the favorites. Show ability to quick edit favorites. Okay. Yes. These all are the display options. So you have any queries with the display options, please let me know. You have any queries with the display options, please let me know. Any queries with the display option from the preferences? In tomorrow class, we are going to discuss about accessibility, debugging, and notification. Maybe it will take only 5 minutes. There is no much options from this menus. Okay.
Yeah, Anji, you said that how we can go to the previous source and display.
Yeah, in tomorrow section, we will get that one. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Yes. So first of all, I'm taking attendance. Yes, guys. So we have 1 more minute. So if you have any queries, please let me know. And class will start at exactly 6 a.m. Okay, everybody need to join at 6 a.m. or 6:1, 6:2 like that only. Don't please don't late for the classes. If you miss something in the starting of the class, maybe entire class will confusion for you. That's what I'm saying. And so it's difficult to wait for others. Okay, few members will join exactly at 6 a.m. right? Maybe if we are waiting for you, even if you are joining late, it's time waste for who joined at 6 a.m. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Naresh, you have any queries?
I didn't receive last call recordings, Anji. So that's the only thing.
Have
Saturday
you?
record.
Okay. Have you shared your details?
Yes, received. Yes, previous class
Okay.
received. Okay, but last
Then
class.
yes. Then you can check for your email. I hope you received. Otherwise, today in today class I will send it. Okay.
Yes, okay, Anji. Thank you.
Okay. So I already said, right? So I have some Google Drive issue. So once I resolve that issue, I will upload all the recorded videos into Google Drive, and it is easy to access for you. Okay. Instead of YouTube. Okay, guys. Thank you all.
Anji,
Yes, Ramakrishna, tell me.
yeah, materials you are providing, no, that's only you are sharing only for the this class after the complete the topic which you have covered.
Yes.
I need some more topics, Anji, actually.
Yes, Ramakrishna, we don't have any material in hand as of now. Okay. So
Okay.
along with topic explanation, I will prepare a content for the topic. Okay. And I will share the content with you only for that topic. Got it? Yes. At the end of the training, you will get entire material at once. Okay. Got
Okay.
it, Ramakrishna? Yes. Yes, guys. Any queries, please let me know.